Hey guys, I just want to do an appreciation post for everyone who's ever been there for me, like automotively or just in my life, you know. My passion for vehicles started when I turned 16 and I bought the truck that you guys all know as the Plague. I bought that truck, it had a body lift and some 33s, but it wasn't cool enough for me, so I worked hard and souped it up a little bit, put a suspension lift, bigger tires, and then I swapped 1-ton axles. But that was like the start of my automotive enthusiasm, basically. And now, let's see, it's years later. I am now doing things that I never thought I would be capable of. When I was younger, I saw like my Uncle Bruce, who had a Jeep with just a frame and an engine in it, and then he was going to build up from the ground. So I thought that was the coolest thing. And then a lot of other people in my life have had cool vehicles that I thought were just like, you know, so badass that I wanted to have something like that. I don't have any frame-off restorations or anything, but what I do have is I have my dream truck right here. Doesn't look like much, but it's crew cab, long box dually, and it came with a 360 small block from factory, but I swapped in a Cummins. I got it running a couple weeks ago. I don't have any wiring done for gauges or anything, but I got it running. And then today I drove it down the driveway and back up, and it was awesome. I got a hood stack on it made by one of my favorite high school teachers. I got this in there to keep water from getting down in because it's snowing out. But this truck is just like everything I'm all about. It's about being a little weird because it's like two-wheel drive, and look at it, it's snowing right now. You know, who would want a two-wheel drive in Minnesota? But I just want to thank everyone who's helped to get me where I am today. All my high school teachers that pushed me to do better things, try harder. My college teachers who taught me basically everything I know about cars. My family members who have helped supported me, not necessarily financially or emotionally, but, you know, just been like, hey, that's really cool what you're doing. You know, that's all it takes. It just takes, you know, one kind word, and it helps keep my motivation going. So I counted the other day, I've had 5 of these old Dodges now, and each one has been different, and it's just been a great experience. I've learned so much. But now I have this thing, I got it running, drove it down the drive. It still needs a little more work, like all the wiring and gauges and stuff, but it's came so far, and I'm so proud of myself. I know that sounds terrible, but I've worked really hard for what I have. So I just want to say thanks to everyone who's ever been there for me. I love you guys.